gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
The Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro has just launched as a powerful gaming phone. It features a 185Hz fast refresh rate, a new mini LED display, a flagship processor, a massive battery, and more. Today, I'll share the unboxing and first impressions of the ROG Phone 9 Pro. Hey everyone, this is Mikey from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. This is the box of the ROG Phone 9 Pro. This time, the box feels very special. When you open it, the phone slowly lifts up. The box design is similar to previous ROG laptops. The phone still feels a bit heavy in hand. Inside the box, you get a lot of accessories. There's a 65-watt charger with a Type-C output, and it also supports PD charging. You get a threaded data cable, which is durable and lasts longer. There's also a cooling clip and a special case designed to fit the cooling clip. You also get 2 protective cases in the box. Now, let's remove the plastic wrap from the phone and talk about its design and build. Starting with the back, it has a design similar to the previous generation. There's the ROG logo and Republic of Gamers written on it. A diagonal line runs through the middle, and the camera module looks like the one on the earlier version. The back is made of a single piece of glass with a matte finish. The phone weighs 227 grams and has a thickness of 8.9 millimeters. The back of the phone has a mini LED screen with 648 mini LED lamps, 3 times more than the previous generation. With more LEDs, you get more design options, and you can even display GIFs on this screen. You can also use the shoulder buttons to play games on this mini LED screen. It supports retro pixel games, and currently, you can play 4 mini-games on it. On the front, the phone has a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display made with E6 material, similar to the previous generation. However, it now comes with a 185Hz refresh rate, the highest in the mobile phone industry. In games like Crossfire, it can deliver up to 186 FPS, giving you next-level smoothness, especially when opening scopes. You can also check the brightness measurements here. The display offers a manual maximum brightness of 845 nits, auto brightness up to 740 nits, and a local peak brightness of 725 nits, which is even higher than the official claim of 2500 nits. For performance, the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. The top variant comes with 1 TB storage and 24 GB RAM. For the gaming test, the phone was tested in a 25°C room with 200 nits brightness, the highest settings, and X mode turned on. After playing Genshin Impact in Sumeru City for 30 minutes, the average frame rate was 59.7 F. Power consumption was 5 watts. The front temperature reached 42.9 degrees Celsius, and the back temperature was 42.3 degrees Celsius. Battery usage was 14%. The phone delivers superb performance. The box also includes a cooling fan. When you attach the fan and turn on freeze mode, you get the highest cooling effect. Using the cooling clip can reduce the temperature by 5 to 6 degrees during heavy gaming. The phone also has a power bypass option, where power goes directly to the system without charging the battery. This time, the cooling fan comes with a built-in woofer that connects to the phone's speakers, a feature introduced for the first time. The ROG Phone 9 Pro comes with a 5800 mAh battery, but the charging speed remains the same as the previous generation at 65 watts. It also supports 15-watt wireless charging. The phone takes around 46 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. There's also a Type-C port on the side for charging while gaming. The base variant of the ROG Phone 9 Pro is priced at $1,099 in the UK, which is approximately $13.91. So, what do you guys think about the ROG Phone 9 Pro? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and feel free to ask any questions. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching. I'm signing off now. Have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.
Focus on yourself first.